What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Ricky Johnson. So like the title says, I'm thinking about swapping out my Ford Performance springs and reinstalling my Eibach Pro Kit springs. It's a crazy decision, but let me tell you the reason why I'm thinking about doing this. So let's turn the camera around. All right, guys, so as you see it, sitting there looking as good as she wants to, fully paid off, all mine. Let's jump right into it. So you guys must be thinking, yo, bro, what's wrong with you? Why are you swapping out the Ford Performance springs and going back to the Eibach springs? So the reason why I'm thinking about doing it is because I'm not feeling this stance. Now, give you a quick reminder, I'm running Ford Performance springs. It's about it's about a 20 millimeter drop all the way around. So the car has an even drop all the way around. The front doesn't sit lower than the back doesn't sit lower than the front. Eibach springs, it's 0.7 in the rear and 0.9 in the front. So it's lower than the Ford Performance springs. I've seen another Shelby GT350 has the same spring as mine, Ford Performance, and he's still running the standard stock tire size. And his car looks a whole lot lower than mine because of the tires. I'm running the Michelin Pilot 4S 305/30s 19. Standard size tires are 295 35 19 in the front, and the rear is 305 35 19. With me running a smaller diameter in the tire leaves me with this gap. Now, a lot of you guys must be like, yo, bro, you crazy. It's a perfect height. It's a perfect drop. It looks fine. Leave it alone. For me, it's not fine. I do not like it. All right. This is about, look at that. It's about 2 fingers. You can see that. 2 fingers. If you could put 2 finger in there, I don't like that. It's not my thing. I need at least a 1 finger, right? See the big difference. Look at that. It's 1 finger. Huge difference. Now, if I was to go back to the standard size tire, I'll be all good. But like I said, these tires are fairly brand new. They have about maybe, I would say, 4,000 miles on it. Still in good condition. Seen 1 track day. Pretty much rest of the year the car's sitting in the garage. So the tires are in perfect condition. The only way I'll swap out the tires is if I get rims for the car, but I'm still not sure what I'm doing yet. So no rims right now. I have to tell you guys that these springs ride amazingly well. Very comfortable springs, and that's the only reason I have not swapped it out yet. Usually, if I see my car looking like this all the time when I park it far in the back of a parking lot, and I like to walk up to the car from a distance, and I like to look and see how the car look from a distance and see how the stance is. And every time I walk up to it, I'm like, God damn, I freaking hate the way the car looks with this height. It's very annoying to me. So I'm really just kind of stuck right now because I love the way the car rides, and I really don't want to lose that ride quality. Car handles well, it feels good. You see what I've been doing with the car, and those roads are nothing to play with. I just want to let you guys know, the roads that you see me opening up the car, go on those turns, those roads are serious. It's tight, it's hilly, it's curvy, it has bumps, and I'm just being 100% honest, you don't feel anything. The car feels planted, feels good, but I know, damn, you're going to do all of that, you're going to ruin all of that just for looks. So I don't know what route I might take. Putting back the Eibachs, or just saying F it and buy new tires. And the tires, what I'm looking at is the Nitto. I think it's the N555. I'm not sure, somebody was going to correct me, but the Nitto was one of the tires that actually made the standard stock size for our car. It's really not a lot out there, but I really want to go back to the stock size because simple reason, the drop. For everybody that's wondering what tire size I'm running 325s, 30 in the rear, no spacers. I had spacers on the car and I took them off because it stuck out a little bit too much for my liking. Obviously with the 325, you don't have to go through 325. You can do 315 because Mission Pilot 4S does not make 305 35, and they don't make 305 30. I think the size they start at is 315 30 19. If you have a 20, obviously they do have that size available, but I'm not going 20. So spacers are off. Originally when I had the spacers on, it gave me a lot of clearance. I had 5mm, and it gave me enough clearance between the brakes, the calipers, and the rim. You see how that look? Don't like it, man. Don't like it. Front 305 30 19, and I'm running a 15mm spacer. Look at that gap. Oh, so disgusting. All right, guys, so that's it for this video, man. Tell me what you think. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, smash the like button, smash the like button. Tell me what you guys think. Hit me up in the comments, man. Let me know. I want to know what you guys thinking. I know a lot of people are going to say leave it alone or just switch out the tires. Do not put back the Eibach, which I might not do. I'm not sure yet. But every time I look at the car, I definitely want to switch it back out. All right, guys. See you in the next video, man. Peace.